Yo, Kiko. How are you doing? Today we are going to play Airplane Story. Yeah. Uh, no, I don't want the panda flashy or something like that. So let's go here. Hello. Oh, there is going. Come on, guys. Any more people? Come on, come on. Yeah, we're shooting a video. Come on, come on. Oh, are you an alien? Huh? Are you an alien? Oh, you're teleported. Like the creepy figure behind and the man, like, the meme. D8. D8 what? A, B, C, D, F, D. D8. Oh, I want a video. Oh, it's the seat. Hello, everyone. Hello, Captain. Welcome aboard. Oh my god, bro. How much? Okay, feel free to explore the airplane. This. Oh, let me do it in first person so it's more realistic. This locked. This locked. This locked. Are these the first class seats? Oh, kinda like it. Oh, it's the captain here. Locked. Now please find your seats, okay? D8. Oh, what's that? 25 robots. This game might be a bit of a cash grab. Oh, we are in our seat. Oh my god! That's an earthquake in the air. No, it's high turbulence. What's that? Not that smart operation. So we can get up now. I prepare snacks for everyone. I like snacks. Tasty. So tasty and good. Oh, there she is. Let me get a snack. Ah, I ate it. I want more. How can I get more? Oh, no, I'm now on top of you. I want more. Today we are serving lunch to our favorite customers. You're welcome. Oh, well, what happened? Oh no. Oh no. You are so screwed. You're so screwed right now. Need to find her. Where is it? Where have you hid it? You found it? Where? Oh, there. Good job, Miss Alien. Good job. No, I don't want to be friends. I don't even know you. Just reach the stable attitude. Time to sit back and take a nap. Okay, if you say so. Uh, mm, mm. Good night, I guess. Dude, I just slept. No, I don't need more sleep. Only a few hours. Yeah, a few, but how many of a few? No. What's that thing? It's looking us. Wait. Hi, who are you? We literally have a monster. Yes. Who says that? Snake. Snake! Snake! The tropical music behind fits the vibe. Kill! 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 Snake! Snake! They're following me. Okay. Hi guys. Greetings to all of you. Go for a restroom. Go 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 go. Oh, it smells bad. It smells real good. Oh, the alien girl. Hello, alien girl. How are you? I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Whoa, whoa. D8. Lavatory. Yay, it's me talking! Yay, yay, yay! Why is there a medkit next to the toilet? Dirty mind game. The graphics are better nice. Very dirty. What's the toilet paper? Oh, oh, ow, ow, oh, oh, no, no, very dirty. Very dirty mind. Oh! Go find my seat real quick. Close back up. I can see that. Oh, it's me talking. Yeah. Where did the snakes come from? Creepy. I think it will return. Good news, man. Okay. I can see that. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yep. Where are you going to die actually? Be done. Oh, we have a mask actually on. Nice. Hello. Oh god, what's happened this time? What now? A bomb? Where? The bomb. Where's the bomb? Where is the bomb? You already found that? Where are you? Oh, there. Please. I died. Why did I die? Happened from the random hits. Yeah, basically that was a video. Oh, my survival methods aren't that good. Now it teleports you to the lobby. Okay. So that's the video. If you liked it, stay in the channel to see more. There's no need to subscribe. Just watch the videos and feel happy. That's basically all. Thank you for watching and goodbye, you all.